Hello, my dear friends of Symphonic Brass Music, and welcome to something a bit honest and something I hope that some of you appreciate me talking about, and that's the current situation a bit. And I guess you know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about COVID and the pandemic and all the restrictions we in the cultural industry, let's call it that, because it's not only musical, have to deal with that. And sorry for the shaky camera, I missed my gimbal. I also missed my stand. So, that's going on for a year now, isn't it? And I was a bit struck because the other day my ex-intern asked me on how the last year was going, and I said, well, I can't remember to have sort of a proper client in the studio. And that's actually wrong, because there have been some stuff going on last year, but I'm far away of having the feeling that everything is running smooth. And actually it's seriously not. I'm fortunate. I'm absolutely fortunate to got a second job in November 19, just by pure luck. I do chat support for a company, and it was just like, yeah, okay, that's flexible. Yeah, why not use it and just use some spare time on that? That's how I thought I would do this, like an hour a day or something. And now that's basically my full-time job, because that's what's paying the rent and then paying the bills. So I'm really, really fortunate. I'm not depending on money from the state or something like other people's have to do. So I will not complain even the slightest. And this is not a video about complaining. This is a video about hoping to give you the same feeling I had when I started reading a bit on Gearspace, like it's now called, the great big forum for audio engineering and stuff. So that I read that a lot of my colleagues are going through the same, because occasionally I got the feeling, is it just me? That everyone else has stuff to do except for me, or what's going on? And I guess we're all in this the same amount. And the thing I struggle the most is that there's nothing I can do, because I like to just work around problems and just solve them and just make it happen and try to get the best out of them. But currently it's just waiting, and this is so hard for me, because I'm not someone who likes to sit around and just wait. But this is what we had to do. I mean, I used the first lockdown to renovate and to rebuild the whole control room and also the live room, the tracking room over there. But yeah, and then summer was a bit. Yeah, I had some recording, some stuff to do, and currently some jobs are in, not much, but. And I know why. I know why it's like that, because people don't want to do stuff anymore. I mean, if you wanted to be productive, you've been productive in last spring, in spring 2020. Then summer's been gone, and I guess most people just wasted their time and tried to make the best out of it. Played some few shows. I know some people actually playing shows. We have been fortunate to get one. But anyway, And now everything is just gone. All the motivations I feel is gone with the people. And the same with me. There are so many things I could do, but I don't want to. I just don't have the energy. I just want to sit around and you know what I mean. And it's the same for all of us. It's basically the same for all of us. And we just need to get through. I hope. As this channel now is in English, I don't know the situation in other countries. I just know the situation here in Germany, specifically in my area. I try to keep myself informed. Currently, you're only allowed to have 2 households with maximum of 5 people meeting, which sucks because that means that no band is actually allowed to rehearse, which means that no band is actually making content and being ready for the studio. So I'm hoping for the numbers to go down so that people are allowed to get together again to rehearse and then eventually come to the studio and play live shows again. This is what I'm hoping for, and this is what I'm trying to get everyone's head in, because I figured a lot of people who aren't working in this industry say as well, you just have to stick around and stay home. No, the whole music scene, the whole culture scene is not dying out, but drying out because there's no content made because it's not possible. So please stay the fuck at home. Please stay the fuck at home or test yourself and get yourself vaccinated if possible. I mean, I'm not gonna get my vaccine soon because Germany has this policy where we first vaccine the old people and the weak people, and then eventually we're going down to someone like me who is healthy and let's see. I hope to get my injection in like July or something. I don't know. And all these tests, this is all fine, because if people coming into the studio, I ask them just to do a quick self-test before they come in, so we're on the safe side and we keep our distance. So I totally understand. I don't want to have a whole band playing at the same time in the tracking room, because this is just sorry. Yeah, infection hellhole. It's called like that if someone is infected. But we need to get through this. We need to get through this, and there's actually no point on that video. I just want to encourage you to hold on tight and do the best that this pandemic goes away. And we're back to normal business, I hope, in summer. I just hope that in summer everything is over. So if you're not a musician and not a studio owner, please support the bands you like. Please buy their records. Please check if they have a Patreon or PayPal me or something. Or Best Bandcamp or something. Just please support them, because it's a really, really tricky time and people need money just to pay the bills. If you like to support me, there's a link down in the description below to buy me a coffee or Patreon. And if you have stuff to do, just let me know. Slots are available. And yeah, let's do our very, very best to make it happen and kill the virus eventually. Thanks very, very much for watching. Stay healthy. See you soon. Bye-bye.